Hi guys, this is the last video lesson now for this topic in heat transfer. Let's have a look. We've got the same resources as always. You just need something to write with, something to write on, and you'll need your attention span. So focus, avoid any distractions. Pause the video, have a go at all of the questions, check your answers through when they come up, and rewind and rewatch the explanations as much or as little as you need to. Let's get started. So why is it that when we have a hot drink like a tea or a coffee, we have it in a mug, and then water we can just have in a glass? Why can't we have tea or coffee in a glass? Well, if we think about it, the glass would just be too hot to touch because we've got a hot liquid. The glass will get really hot, you wouldn't be able to pick it up and drink it. Now they're both solids, so we know it's both going to have conduction involved. So why is it that the glass would get too hot and a mug doesn't? Well, clearly different materials have different rates of energy transfer. If a material like our glass transfers energy really quickly, we would call that a thermal conductor. If a material transfers energy more slowly, like our mug, so a slow transfer of energy, then we will call that a thermal insulator. So conductor, quick transfer of energy. An insulator is a slow transfer of energy. The insulators don't just slowly transfer energy through them, but they slow down the rate at which energy is lost to surroundings. So for example, if you're out on a cold day without a coat, your heat energy gets lost to the surroundings really quickly. Whereas if you put on a nice warm jacket or a coat, that's going to slow down the rate at which the heat is transferred to your surroundings, because you've got that insulating material keeping you warm. Here are your key points in bed. Make sure you've got these written down before we move on. And now self-test yourself on those key points. Follow steps or get someone else in the house to quiz you. Right guys, have a go at these independent practice questions. Remember, you can rewind and rewatch the video if there's anything you're not sure on. Hopefully we got all of those. Really well done if you did. If you didn't, remember you can rewind, rewatch the video and see how you got on. And if you're happy, then that's all for today. Well done, guys.